10 reasons why you should ferment your chicken feed. The benefits you are mixing. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 solid reasons why feed fermentation is necessary for your chickens and how you are going to ferment it. I'll also show you how to ferment feed and how to administer it to your poultry birds. And first, let's start with the benefits. What your chicken will gain, even you as a poultry farmer, what you will gain by fermenting your poultry feed. Hello farmers, welcome back to my channel where we reveal real secrets of how to make profit in your poultry and livestock business. Today, I'm exposing a super underrated techniques that could change your entire poultry business. It is called fermenting your chicken feed. And trust me, it is not just for yogurt or bread. For chickens can massively benefit from it. So let's jump right into the 10 powerful reasons why you should ferment your chicken feed from today. First is faster growth in less time. Fermenting feed improves nutrient absorption, so your birds grow bigger and faster in short period of time. If you're a poultry farmer and you are not be witnessing outstanding growth the way you used to witness before, that means you can start fermenting your feed right away. It reduces your feed costs by 20 to 30%. Birds eat less but get more nutrition, saving you money without reducing performance at all. If you don't know what fermenting is all about, there is one tribe I know very well where I studied. There's what you call fatting room. In that fatting room, what they do is they ferment gari. They put large quantity of gari in a bowl and ferment it and feed that lady who is in the fatting room for during period. Is it period of 1 month or 2 months? I don't know. But that lady stays inside the fatting room while they feed that lady with fermented gari. They ferment this gari, you see, ferment it properly, and the lady continue drinking it. If the lady comes out from fatting room, if you see her, you will never recognize that lady any longer. That is because of the nutrient that's added to that. That gari is not normal ordinary gari. It's now a fermented gari. There are a lot of nutrients, probiotics that add the nutrients in that particular gari. That's how fermenting is all about. Just like drinking yogurt. I don't think even if you are as slim as broom and you drink yogurt every day for complete 1 month, nobody will tell you. Even if they swear that you will not get fat, that swearing, that oath will run away from your body. You get fat by fire, by force. The next one is better digestion. Fermentation breaks down complex food into simple digestive nutrients. Fourth one is natural probiotics for stronger immunity. It adds good bacteria to the gut, keeping birds healthy and disease resistant. 5. Less smelly droppings. If your neighbors are complaining of the droppings of your poultry smelling all around, fermenting feed reduces waste and odor, meaning cleaner pen and happier neighbors. Boost natural egg production for laying birds. Layers on fermented feed often lay more consistently with stronger eggshell and larger egg size. Shiny feathers and healthy skin. The nutrient in fermenting feed improves the overall look and health of your chickens. It reduces risk of coccidiosis and diarrhea. The probiotics and pH changes in fermented feed suppress harmful bacteria that causes harmful organisms and growth in the poultry birds, thereby causing disease and expenses in medication. Increase appetite in weak or slow growing birds. If your chicken are not eating well or they are trying to recover from sickness or illness, fermentation increases appetite in weak or slow birds. The small texture attracts even picky eaters, perfect for brooding and for recovering of birds from different infections. it makes cheap ingredients more powerful. You can ferment local grains, kitchen scraps, or even byproducts and boost their value immediately. If you say garri is not nutritious, ask those that particular tribe that do fatting room before a lady marries. They will tell you what that garri does to their body after 1 month of passing through that fatting room with soaked garri. How to ferment chicken feed step by step in simple terms. First, I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm going to do this for those of you that like demonstration. I will do it for you. Get your dry feed or grains, corn, wheat, soya bean, or even the commercial feed you use. It could be pelletized or even mash. Put it in a clean plastic bucket or container. Add clean water until the feed is fully submerged. Leave 1 to 2 inches water above the feed. Just little quantity above the feed. Keep it in a warm place for fermentation to take immediate effect. It should be in a warm place. Temperature is very important during fermentation. So don't ask me how long it takes. Your temperature in your region determines how fast the fermentation process will take. Please cover the container loosely or airtight. Air should escape. Keep it in a warm place 3 to 4 days. Stay once a day. You need to turn it once a day always. When you see bubbles and sour smell, it is ready. Feed your chickens immediately after draining the excess water. Then you can ferment new batch every 2 to 3 days or 3 to 4 days and rotate it consecutively. So there you have it. 10 solid reasons fermenting your chicken feed. It is a game changer. It saves money, boosts growth, improves health, and turns basic feed into a super feed. Start small and watch your flocks thrive. If you find this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and share to your fellow farmers. And drop your comment if you have anything to say, any good thing to say. Drop it in the comment section. I will also guide you. If you have any good question, reasonable question, drop it in the comment section. I will also answer you and direct you more. Let's get there. Let me show you how to ferment it. And after fermenting it, we feed to our birds. Then you see how we do it here. Thank you. This is empty bag bowl. You use empty bowl, then pour the feed. See the feed. This is our own feed. Pour the quantity of feed. Depending on the quantity of feed you want. Depends on you. That one depends on you. The quantity of feed you want to ferment. Pour it. Then you sprinkle water on it. Sprinkle water. If you have probiotics, you can mix probiotics to that water. If you have probiotics like Eco Bio Booster, mix Eco Bio Booster with that water. Or you have any of the probiotics, is very important. You can mix it with that water to make the feed richer. Either Eco Bio Boost, or you have any of this tonic you use. If you have molasses, you can use any of this. Mix thoroughly. Please don't fill it with too much water. Soak it properly. Don't soak it too much so that the water will not be excess. Soak it. You see, it's now soaked. You can see it now. You see it. It's now forming mold form. You can see it now. After soaking it, you need to cover it for 3 to 5 days. Can add extra water, but don't allow water to be excess, because you're going to drain the water off. If it is excess, once you drain the water off, you are draining out the nutrient. So what you need to do now is to cover it for 3 to 5 days. It's not covered. That's all. Now after 3 days, we are coming to open it again. After 3 days now, we open it. Open it. You can see it. Are you seeing it now? If you smell it, it smells like yogurt. The smell will change to yogurt format to tell you that it has been fermented. You're seeing it now. It will have a sour taste like yogurt. What you need to do now is to feed. Let's feed the chickens now. If you have layers, if I have broilers, any of them, feed them and you're going to see the kind of results you're going to get. In this particular thing, you can add any ingredients you want. You want add any probiotic organic you want to add here. Extract, add them together. You can use the extract water. You can use aloe vera extract. You can use scent leaf extract. Any of them during the fermentation process, or molasses, or even our eco bio booster. Any of them, you can use them. Then let's feed our chickens now.